Hey guys, so the PS5 2020 is now available in the shop for pickup in the UK. So we went to pick ours today. We woke up very early in the morning, got there at 7 a.m. to pick ours. So I said I should upload it and show you guys how the PS5 actually look like. So guys, we're going to be doing unboxing, and then we're going to be doing a setup as well. So if you don't know how to set up, you can have an idea on how to set it up. And then we're also going to be doing a demo. We're going to play a little of the game that came with it for you guys to like see how the station really looks like, how the games look like. So that is what we're going to be doing on this video. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so happy to like get to pick this station today, seriously. So we're going to be doing 3 in 1: the unboxing, the demo, and then the setup. Whoa, the controller is beautiful. It's very, very beautiful compared to the old one.
Then you have your stand.
Okay, what's that, darling?
Stand.
Okay.
The game stand. Then you have your HDMI 2.1. Okay. And this is the charging cable for the controller. Just so you know, it goes in here. Looks like a regular USB-C. Alright, now to the fun part.
It's really the fun part. Voila.
Alright, and this is the beast.
Whoa!
It's a huge console.
This is beautiful. Like, seriously, it's very, very beautiful.
So this will stick.
It's beautiful. It's worth the waiting. Whoa.
Alright.
Yeah, this is the PS4. And this is the PS5. Oh my god, look at the difference. Whoa, but this is beautiful. And I love it that it's actually white.
Simple stand installation. You can move it if you want, but now it's in. And there you have it.
Voila.
I don't use it. And next you find good.
So guys, this is the PlayStation demo. When you turn on your PlayStation, this is what we firstly displaying on your TV. And the TV you're watching it from is the OLED 65 inches LG TV. I also did an unboxing on the TV. I'll be uploading it shortly. So please, you can come back and check for the... So you can come back and watch my review on the LG 65 inches OLED TV. And then we're just going to set the the PlayStation up, and then we're going to play a little bit of the new games on the PlayStation so you guys can have an idea of what kind of game you're going to be seeing on this PlayStation. So guys, thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do like what you see, support me by subscribing to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is on for you to see more of my unboxing or reviews on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Sorry, I almost forgot. What you actually need to do here is just for you to put your name, a name that you want to title your game with. Just put it on this session. That is all you have to do. I almost missed it.
Oh, this one is bundled in it. Yeah, let's play. Let's see. Yeah.
Japan Studio.
Yeah, this is the demo. The sound's coming from here as well.
Okay. So the sound is also coming from the controller.
You can feel the vibration here.